Alright, so here it is, Thursday evening, my first evening of the year out in front of City Hall at the Hat Keyhole Sculpture. First up is always Rasta. Let's give her a whirl.
Somebody's girlfriend's talking to me, but it's alright, she's saying that he's not gonna slap me or try to attack me. He's not the jealous type, and I only need to get half an excuse and I'm away. But when there's no excuses, that's much easier to say. I've been before, and all these capers make us too good for her to ignore. So she's talking, but I'm not entirely sure.
Oh, that started off pretty strong.